Good day, my beautiful friends. That's a look down south on Bay Street. Got the cool lamps going on here for a little bit here, stretch of bay. And we are at the corner of Bay and Bloor. There's Italy right there. Fantastic. Fantastic, I say. Bay and Bloor, approximately 1:25 a.m. We had a wonderful, wonderful night walk live stream. Ending at the Whitney Towers. Canada flag, there's Holt Renfrew there. If you got money to spend, that's your place right there. If you want designer fashion. One thing I love about this time of night, it's a weekday night too. There's a TTC supervisor vehicle here. I was about to say one thing I love about the nighttime. This time of night, I can do stuff like this. Go right onto the street, although I probably should get moving right now. Here's Indigo. Really, really nice location of Indigo. Connected to the Manulife Center. Got Jimmy's there. Doesn't look like it's open. So I guess it's not one of the 24-hour locations. But yeah, we're gonna just do a bit of a night walk here, 4K HDR. I got some time. I'm sort of in that no man's land between when the subways aren't closed just yet, but I would rather, instead of taking subway and then trying to connect to a bus, it'd be better if I just record a video here. And I'll be very careful as I walk here, but I'm gonna wait for a night bus. I'm gonna wait for a 320 young night bus, blue night bus. Been wanting to do a 4K HDR quality night walk for some time now, and finally this is a perfect opportunity to do so. Walk for a bit here. Thinking of maybe continuing here on Bay, north on Bay. So we'll cross the street. Toronto looks real pretty at night. This will look west on Bloor. Just a look east on Bloor Street West. But haven't been along this stretch where we're about to walk that often on live streams, so I think it might be walk this way, north on Bloor, or on Bay, sorry. Hazukido, fantastic place to get delicious little croissants, sweet and savory. There's Pico. You can get custom toppings there for your pizza. Starbucks coffee right there. Most things are closed right now. To Bloor West, Cumberland Terrace. I think most, if not all, of these businesses are eventually gonna have to make way for a condo development. Oh, is it open? Should we veer off here? Maybe take a quick peek here. Much less awkward to film when there's hardly anybody around. Looks like they got a clearance here. So probably sadly that, some pretty cool stuff here. That is one fat Buddha. Buddha statues here, 50% clearance, so actually might come back here actually. I would imagine some of these things would be really expensive, but 50% off. Thank you, Canada. 44 glorious years, oh my goodness. I guess sadly, most likely due to condo development. Unless it's a sign of the times where maybe people don't have the money to spend, but some of these look reasonably priced here. I'm gonna check it out. Who'd have thought on a night walk I'm gonna be taking a peek here? But I've had fond memories of Cumberland Terrace. Oh, we've got quite a bit to look at. So it looks like a lot of, retirement. Well, now I feel much better now, retirement. Feels much better than knowing that went out of business or anything unfortunate, but it's retirement. Asia Arts and Interiors, so could take advantage of 44 glorious years. 50% clearance. Oh, they got some really nice stuff in here, I must say. It just looks like mostly like Asian inspired. Perhaps Chinese. So I hear footsteps somewhere off in the distance. Here looks like they got some nice lamps here. More 50% clearance. Oh, you know what? That could be security locking up, maybe locking up the building. I better not get locked in here. Oh, I think it's part of this. Oh, they also have this part too. You know what? I think I'll just go back out now. I think that's more than enough. Can always do another tour another time here. Ah, well, you know what? Let's just, while we're here, See what's going on over here. Very cool. But you can see a lot of businesses here have already been shuttered for quite some time. Very old style. Feels like you're sort of gone back in time a little bit. Esther, Queen of Soups. I just saw security and we acknowledged each other. I think he saw that I was vlogging, but oh. Oops. Oh, wait a minute. Didn't I push this? Oh no. Yeah, I guess doors were locked there. Let's see. But I would have the perfect excuse for security. Game and hobby zone here. Made in Canada. Why do they have all these retail fleets though? I mean, so are they, I thought there was gonna be condo development here. Are they gonna, are they renovating this place? This will lead you eventually to Young Bloor Station. You can get up. Well, so much for my plan of my original plan. Well, I guess we'll have to take a different route for the night walk here. Cumberland flowers here. Flowers for your loved ones. Your mom would really appreciate it. Your girlfriend. Starbucks over there. Been there numerous times. Shop at Drug Mart. I think there used to be kind of an optometry type place here. So that's that. There's Bloor Young Station, but won't be going in there. Mobile clinic, you need to repair your cell phones. Oh, I guess they buy and sell too. Rogers Fido. LCBO, get your drink on. Get your drink on. Or how about moisturize? Moisturize, you like that, Jelly Bean? So public school, this is what it's, coffee house, kitchen and bar. Actually, maybe I should go out here and show because it does look pretty at night. Maybe we'll save them. If you go a little further, there's a little food court there. You know what, maybe we'll quickly go there if we can. Show you what the food options here are. Here is salad days. Prices look pretty good. It's about $10. I think here's the bay here. Or is the bay closed here at this location? Yeah, here, a young Bloor, Hudson's Bay. Breaking the plastic habit. There's a little corner store there, INS. You're not really gonna have too many food options here. Here's Timmy's here. And here is a water refill station. Here we go. Here's one. I mentioned before in the past where you can get one. And I will make a video here, right here. Get your water refill, hopefully. You'd assume it's clean water, wouldn't you? James Cash, all about the Tim Hortons there. Mr. Souvlaki. And an A&W there. Obviously that would not be 24 hours being here in the food court. Should I go upstairs real quick? I do get approached by security. I'll just say I lost my way. Oh no. No, this is not the set of stairs where I know there's some more shops upstairs. Booster juice here. I promise this will be a night walk, so I guess it's going to be a combination of night walk and sort of showing you inside Canada Post. Oh, they have a lottery thing there. Rent a car. Midtown Dental, make sure to brush your teeth and floss your teeth. You don't want to mess around with your with dental bills. Oh, it does not cover dental. It can be very expensive. I myself have been blessed with not having. I myself have not been blessed with, or have been blessed with not having cavities, even though I eat so many sweets. Dollar Ring. It smells nice here. I think they're locking up the subway stations now. Oh yeah, and I did want to show you out here. That public house. This place right here. You'll see a big W when you go outside the building. Very cute. So somehow we end up here on Bloor Street East. It's got kind of a nice cool fall-like feeling to it. There's a W. I remember first seeing this building, the name, public school. was a little bit confused. Generally, I don't like to really come here young and Bloor this time of night. Can be a lot of sketchy individuals. So please stay safe out there, my friends. Please be very alert of your surroundings. That place I highly recommend, Cafe Landwehr. Absolutely fantastic, fantastic I say. Discover creativity and community. First night bus be here in approximately 1:57 a.m. So in about 12 minutes from now, as we approach Yonge and Bloor, there is one Bloor East. There's one Bloor West. Still has a little ways to go. They are definitely making progress. You know what? I'm probably gonna walk. It's not my original intent to walk on Yonge Street, but we'll do it. I think I'll walk to Rosedale to wait for the bus. Not interested in waiting for the bus here at Yonge and Bloor. Dalia Mendes, our wonderful friend Dalia Mendes, used to work there, RBC, up in the office there, 10 years. I think if I walk on the west side of Yonge, less chance for dingus, or like crikey has taught us, dingue, for more than one dingus. Now that the TTC is locked up for the night, see people just hanging around there, just doing whatever. That is the entrance. You can go straight to the Line 2 platform right here, for your information, right there. That used to be Starbucks over there. We're under the Albert Britnell. That used to be Starbucks. The Tim Hortons used to be, Tim Hortons was one of these here. Used to be a 24-hour Tim Hortons, which I was once kicked out of. I've shared this before and I admittedly was a little bit drunk. Let's just say what it is. I was plastered. I was hammered, and I was in that Tim Hortons, and I was so angry that the employee asked a homeless individual to leave, even though this was like 1 or 2 o'clock in the night. There was hardly anyone there. He wasn't bothering anyone. I even offered to buy some stuff so that he could stay there at least until the morning. Here's the Toronto Public Library, Toronto Reference Library here. Biggest library in Toronto. We've done a live stream in there before. Twice, I believe. I know Jeanette Morales and Marie Palmer love their libraries. As do I, and Anita Smith really enjoys the library. Anna V. Balzac's Coffee here. The founder of Balzac's, Diana Olson, Christine, a great friend, Christine Regal Places Tours, and you used to be neighbors. The founder of Balzac's, who appeared on Dragon's Den, secured an investment with one of the dragons. I can't recall which dragon it was, but I was so happy that there was at least one of the dragons that believed in her. And now look at Balzac's. A lot of prime location, distillery district right by. There's one in the Up Express Lounge. Here is the Toronto Metro Reference Library. Look, you can see the reflection of the. Oh, is there somebody in there? You can see the reflections of the lamppost there. Oh, didn't expect that. We'll walk north to Rosedale. I think that's the plan. Right outside Rosedale Station. I think I feel more safer. And I'll recommend that to you too. Walk to Rosedale instead of waiting. Or even here is fine. Much better, preferred, more preferred than Yonge and Bloor. Here at Yonge and Church. When you cross the street, becomes Yonge and Davenport. This kind of threw me off when they first opened Randy's Roti and Doubles. Just wish they could have come up with a different name. I almost feel like they're trying to take advantage of the legendary Randy's in Little Jamaica that unfortunately closed. $169.9. I heard in the news gas is going to be continuing to trend upwards, unfortunately, at a time when it's so tough for many Canadians, Torontonians. This is a Canadian Tire gas station. Party City right here. Unfortunately, Canadian Tire, this Canadian Tire coming up, it's eventually going to make way for condo development. There's a 320 Young Blue Night bus. You know what? Oh well, if I don't catch that 157 one, there's one 5 minutes after, so I'm not just gonna stop the video just to. I want to make sure I'm at a safe spot. I loving the protected bike lanes. Eventually, if I get a bike, I'm seeing more of these. It would make me feel a lot more comfortable. There's a Service Canada inside this location. Oh, I think I already passed the sign. But believe you me, as Christopher Ardiard has noticed, I like to borrow some of the British way of speaking. There indeed is a Service Ontario there. I recently had to renew my health card, and I did have to wait half an hour, but that's a lot better than a lot of the locations you'd have to wait an hour or more. Let's see if we see. I hear some commotion up there. Maybe I'm not gonna walk to Rosedale. Maybe I'll go back to Yonge and Church. So I guess I'm gonna wrap up this video and see if we can catch that first night bus going north. So hope you enjoyed this combination night walk and I guess inside shops walk. until next time, my amazing friends, be well. Another 320 Young night bus that's headed down to Queens Quay by the lake.